How to fix Steam error on Windows 11. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Steam error on Windows by disabling Smart App Control. If Steam isn't launching properly or you're getting an error when opening it, this is one solution you can try. First, open the Windows Start menu and search for Windows Security. Open Windows Security, then click on App and Browser Control. Now, select Smart App Control. By default, Smart App Control may be turned on. If it is enabled, select the option to turn it off. Once you've done that, close Windows Security and any other open applications. Now, restart your PC. After your computer starts again, open Steam and check if the error has been resolved. And that's how you can fix the Steam error on Windows by disabling Smart App Control. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows and Steam tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.